What is up, people of the extranet? Tyler here with Random Automotive, and today I'm going to show you how to get turn-by-turn navigation in your Ford Maverick Lariat within the 6.5-inch screen that's between the speedometer and the tachometer. What you will need is an ELM327 adapter, link will be in the description, and a copy of Forscan that is registered. You can register a free trial or you can pay the monthly subscription fee. I'm not going to show the setup process of this. I'll do a video on that another time, but you will need to plug the ELM327 into your OBD2 port and then a USB port. What we'll start off doing is press the engine stop-start button without starting the vehicle, which means you don't have your foot on the brake. You'll go ahead and go through the normal boot process here, and then we go into Forscan and we connect to the vehicle. If you have a HS/MS CAN switch, make sure it's in HS CAN position. Most of the time that's to the right. And then what we'll do is we'll click connect. I was already connected, so I'm going to connect to show you. It'll say make sure the ignition's in the on position, set to HS CAN, the vehicle's not moving. All good there. If you want to load the selected profile, you may not have this if you've never done it before, but you can click yes there, and it'll run through some things, and then it'll say, does it have an HS/MS CAN module? This one does, so we'll click yes. And then it asks us to swap the switch to MS CAN, which we just did, and click OK. Now, to enable the turn-by-turn direction, once this whole thing is completed, we'll go over to Configuration and Programming, which is this little chip icon here. Click that, make sure that Configuration and Programming is clicked there, and head down to IPC Module Configuration. You've got three options. Odometer right, we don't want to do. As-built format, we don't want to do. We're just going to do Module Configuration and click the play button. Once we click the play button, it'll load some modules there, and what we'll do is we'll search for, now this will only work on the Lariat model, turn-by-turn navigation. And you can see by default it's disabled. We will click Enable, double-click it, then click Enabled, check mark. Then click the right button down here, and then the check mark to right. It'll do that, run through its service procedure. The cluster will reset, as you can hear. Then click OK. You'll get the old chime. Turn off the ignition, and then back on. You'll get the new chime, and you will be good to go. If you like this video, if it helped you at all, be sure to give it a like, comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. Till next time, we'll catch you in the next one.